Cardano ADA hangs out in the crypto space with a logical improvement approach, utilizing a three-layer engineering and the energy-proficient Ouroboros evidence of stake agreement calculation. Its remarkable highlights incorporate companion-inspected improvement, a depository framework for decentralized direction, and a pledge to interoperability, making Cardano a dependable, eco-accommodating, and comprehensive blockchain stage. Assuming you're searching for Cardano cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Cardano ADA will go from here on out. We will break down the past costs of Cardano ADA and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Cardano outline. Cardano is an unmistakable digital money and blockchain stage known for its logical way to deal with improvement. Established by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson, Cardano carries out a three-layer engineering to improve versatility and adaptability. Its exceptional Ouroboros evidence of stake agreement calculation empowers secure exchanges and approval through marking, offering a more energy-effective option in contrast to customary confirmation of work frameworks. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is $0.4497 and ADA is as of now positioned #9 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Cardano is 35,698,270,382 with a market cap of $16,053,871,405. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.36% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Cardano is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ADA is down to nearly 2.68% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for however, we don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. We anticipate future Cardano cost expectations are to gauge by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Cardano. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the ADA coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Cardano Value Forecast Rundown. Long-haul investigation proposes that Cardano cost might actually flood to $404.82 by 2050. The negative cost expectation for Cardano ADA in 2025 is $0.7898, with a likely high of $0.9517. The ongoing business sector cost of one Cardano is $0.4497. Cardano ADA is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $6.22 constantly 2030. The cost of one ADA would reach as high as $301.90 by 2040. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.5521 in 2024. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.6416 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.5702 all through 2024. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.7898 in 2025. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.9517 with a typical cost of $0.8126 all through 2025. ADA Value Gauge for 2026. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at least value worth of $1.11. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.36 with the typical worth of $1.15. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2027. Cardano cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.62 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.95 with a typical figure cost of $1.67. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2028 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2.34. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.81 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.42. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $3.56 in 2029. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $4.10 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.66 all through 2029. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $5.12 in 2030. The Cardano cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $6.22 with a typical cost of $5.26 all through 2030. Cardano Value Figure 2031. Cardano cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $7.46 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $9.07 with the typical figure cost of $7.72. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2032 the cost of Cardano is gauged to be at around a base worth of $11.05. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of $12.90 with a typical exchanging worth of $11.44 in USD. Cardano Value Forecast 2033. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $15.41. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $19.17 with the typical exchanging cost of $15.98. Cardano Value Estimate 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential, however opinion can be whimsical. Inspecting current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Cardano is supposed to reach $301.90, with a typical exchanging worth of $257.15. The base cost is projected to be around $237.17. ADA Value Figure for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a digital currency are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with down-to-earth applications and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Cardano cost conjecture for 2050, ADA is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $404.82 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of ADA coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $342.49.